both boys and girls
Yeah.
should receive equal education, love, and encouragement.
Yes, ma'am.
And parents should avoid such statements like boys don't cry, girls should stay quiet.
Yeah,
Such
yeah.
actually, such stereotypes limit their growth and confidence.
Mm-hmm.
They can't develop properly. So actually, instead, children should be taught to think outside the box and
Yes.
pursue their dreams regardless of gender.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you so much, Barkha. I'm feeling fresh as a daisy, really. Today, I'm very
Okay.
excited.
Okay. And how's your day, ma'am?
Yeah, it was quite productive. Yeah.
Okay. Very, very nice. Very nice. So, ma'am,
Mm.
as we know that since we are meeting virtually for the very first time, so could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, Barkha. My name is Ekta Jain. I hail from Rajasthan. I am graduate in science. Moreover, I have completed LLB as well as LNM.
Mm-hmm.
As far as my hobbies, so I have multiple hobbies like dancing, cooking, traveling, listening to music, watching movies. Yes,
So you
and
are
I run my
multitasker. You are a
yes.
multitasker, ma'am.
You can and I run my YouTube channel named Simplify English with Ekta Jain.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So I assume you are wearing a lot of hats. Yeah, ma'am.
There is no
So,
brainer. Yes.
yes, ma'am. So, we are going to discuss very important and meaningful topic, right, ma'am, today? Yeah, that is women empowerment. And today we know that women are achieving success in every field, but still they are facing a lot of challenges in our society. So we will share our thoughts or perspective on this topic. So shall we begin, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay. It's my favorite topic.
Okay, yes, that's why we are discussing this topic today. So my first question is, ma'am, do you think women are truly independent nowadays, or is society is still controlling many of their choices?
Yes, in my opinion, women today are more independent than ever before. Actually, women today are excelling in every field. They are breaking glass ceilings. They are breaking stereotypes. So actually, we can say that women are found everywhere, like in every profession, in every field, like sports, home, health, and education,
Mhm.
entrepreneurship, space science. So yes, everywhere. Actually, they can do wonders in their life
Mhm.
if family supports and they are determined. They have self
Mhm.
belief. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, they can hit the jackpot. And so yes, women nowadays they are achieving lots of things. There are no brainer, but actually every woman has a prerogative to make their own decisions, to live a life according to their own aspirations. So
Mhm.
society should stop being deluded about
Mhm.
gender roles. They should
Mhm.
respect every woman's prerogative to make their
Mhm.
own decisions.
Mhm.
Although they are more independent, but uh, still society are influencing many of their choices.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
in subtle and indirect ways.
Yes,
Yes.
I totally agree, ma'am. And in my opinion, yes, women are not fully independent in our society because fewer women are very conscious about their career and dreams. But most of the women always second guess themselves due to social norms. So that is one thing, ma'am. So second question is mine that what are the biggest challenges? Yeah,
Actually, I want to say that
yeah.
society, actually in many places, society like women are expected to behave according to traditional standards.
Hmm. Correct. Correct.
Like society expects women to wear many hats, be a supportive wife,
Yes. Correct.
and
Correct.
Yes, a supportive daughter and
Mm-hmm.
a successful professional. Yes, yes. So they are expected
Yeah,
in
ma'am.
many places. They are not getting equal opportunities actually.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes,
Indian
yes.
Constitution, Article 14
Mm-hmm.
provides and it guarantees that equality before law. Article 15 also prohibits discrimination on the basis of gender, and moreover, Article 21 it
Mm-hmm.
protects to live and personal liberty. Although
Mm-hmm.
there are many laws,
Okay, ma'am.
but
Yes,
but still, society actually are influencing and controlling many of their choices. Sometimes
yes,
social media also add fuel to the fire.
yes, ma'am. Correct,
Many
correct.
women feel pressure when they
Mm-hmm.
look others. So actually, they feel pressure to look perfect or live
Mm-hmm.
picture perfect life. So
Yes,
this
yes,
constant pressure actually can take it all on their health.
yes, ma'am.
So I believe that fully independence come when women can take their own decisions
On
freely,
decision. Mm.
fearlessly,
Yes, ma'am.
without worrying about societal norms or societal yes societal terms.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
they
So,
can free.
so what are the biggest challenges women still face in career, education, or family life? What do you think, ma'am?
Yes, although women have achieved everything actually, and they are very successful,
Mm-hmm.
yet still like they are facing numerous challenges. If I
Mm-hmm.
talk about them, so you know, like one major challenge is discrimination.
Yes, correct.
Yes. So yes. So means so in many places like girls don't get same opportunity, equal opportunities as boys. Means equal
Yes.
education also.
Mm-hmm.
So they struggle a lot, and like parents think or people believe that boys should be like breadwinners of the family. So
Mm-hmm.
this kind of stereotypes, limit girls' growth and their confidence.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Correct.
if I
And
talk about,
yes,
hmm,
and I totally agree. When a girl child is born in our society, so society always sees her by gender, not another human, right? And that is one thing. And second thing is if we talk about our education, so many parents are aware about education, but still many girls are facing problems and they have limitations. And if we talk about career, so it is often acceptable to job for women before marriage, but after marriage it is become very difficult sometimes due to family responsibility and other things. So still women are facing lot of challenges. You are truly right, ma'am, and I totally agree with you.
ma'am, oh sorry, Barka, in workplaces also, women
Yeah.
frequently face unequal
Mm,
pays and like lack of promotions, workplace
yeah.
bias. Actually,
Yes.
many women are
Mm,
talented. They work
mm,
day and night, they burn midnight oil, but they don't get recognition they
yes, ma'am.
deserve,
Yes, ma'am.
actually. Yes, and the biggest challenge is in families also, like
Yes.
balancing career and professional
Mm,
life and family. So
yes, yes,
it's the
correct.
biggest challenge. But
Okay.
nowadays, actually, family are becoming very supportive.
Yes, ma'am.
So they do, but they require actually family support and partners support.
Mhm. So how
So
can
they
parents raise daughters and sons with equal values and opportunities?
yes, there is no brainer that parents uh, are the first teacher in a child's life. So
Hmm.
they play significant role in shaping children's mindset and values
Hmm. Correct.
because children imitate their parents and they learn from action than words.
Hmm. Correct. Correct.
So to raise daughters and sons equally, actually parents should uh, like practice equality at home
Hmm.
rather than merely place lip service to it actually.
Hmm.
So
Correct.
parents should be like role models
Hmm. Correct. And
and home.
yeah, and parents should give that respect, love, freedom, opportunity to both. Both genders equally. And apart from this, they give freedom and opportunity without be limited by stereotype. So in this way, parents also teach them these values and opportunities, give opportunities by treating them from the childhood. So it is
Yes,
very necessary.
actually, both boys and girls
Yeah.
should receive equal education, love, and encouragement.
Yes, ma'am.
And parents should avoid such statements like boys don't cry, girls should
Hmm.
stay quiet.
Yeah,
Such
yeah.
actually, such stereotypes limit their growth and confidence.
Hmm.
They can't develop properly. So, actually, instead, children should be taught to think outside the box and
Yes,
pursue their dreams regardless of gender.
yes,
So,
correct,
this is the
correct.
first thing. And parents should be play like should become role models.
Hmm. Correct.
Like a parent should teach values like kindness, empathy, honest, respect,
Yes, correct.
right? So when children witness mutual understanding with parents, between parents, so
Hmm.
they naturally develop.
Yes, ma'am.
Means balanced thinking. Actually,
Hmm.
small changes at home can create a ripple effect, and it can eventually transform the society for the better.
Yes, yes,
Yes, it's
correct.
my opinion. Yeah.
I couldn't agree more, ma'am. And if I talk about social media, so do social media platform empower women more, or do they create unnecessarily pressure or insecurity? What is your opinion?
Actually, social media is a double-edged sword.
Yes.
On one side, it empowers women by giving them opportunities, by giving them a platform to express their opinion, showcase their talent, start businesses, and inspire others.
Hmm.
So it has become a powerful tool. Actually,
Hmm.
it helps women to spread their wings and
Hmm.
connect with the people worldwide.
Yes.
So it has
Correct.
become a powerful tool nowadays, actually, for raising awareness about their education, mental health, self-care, consistent and determined. So
Hmm.
yeah, means women nowadays they are realizing that their voices matters a lot.
Hmm. Hmm.
Although it's useful, but social media also creates insecurity and immense pressure because
Hmm.
many people they try to keep up with Joneses when they actually sometimes they feel pressure when they see others highlight reels, so
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
start compare with their real life to others. So
Hmm.
this constant pressure actually can take it all on their health, and it creates stress and emotionally and physically exhaustion.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So I totally agree that social media is double-edged sword, and we should be very mindful when we use this platform. Right? It depends on us, right? How we use it. Yeah.
Now we-
Yes, yes. So next question is mine, ma'am. How can a woman create a balance our that career and that our education and families responsibility? And a woman successfully balance this all these things?
yes, I strongly believe that women can balance family, career, education, their professional life
So how?
uh, easily, but it's not a piece of cake actually.
That
Although
that is
it
my point actually.
actually all it requires family support and their
Hmm.
self belief and
Hmm.
planning.
Yes,
So
yes.
actually, one thing that women are incredibly hardworking, resilient, and they are naturally multitaskers. They
Yes,
are
ma'am.
wearing so many hats. They
Mm-hmm.
never complain. They sacrifices a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So they are managing their career, household responsibilities, families, everything, like while also nurturing their families
Hmm. Correct.
simultaneous. So, but actually, uh, family support and partners play significant role
Hmm.
to achieve
Yes.
women this thing. So
Yes,
they can
yes.
balance
Yeah.
everything. Actually, workplaces also they are providing like a flexible environment. Also, they pay equal for
Hmm.
equal work. So
Mm-hmm.
there are so many acts also actually Equal Remuneration Act 1961 and the Maternity Benefit Act also. So there are lots of act, but they are sacrifices a lot. They don't think about their self care. Their love is selfishness. Yes, I would
Yes,
say.
yes, ma'am, and I totally agree that women can achieve anything. But we women needs support and cooperation and understanding from our family member, especially from our partner. So that is very true, ma'am. And ma'am, today's topic is very vast actually. We can speak hours and hours. But due to time
Yes,
constant, yeah, but due to time constant, I have to wrap up this session. And you explained very well, ma'am. Amazingly, you explained all your thoughts.
thank you so much. Actually, this topic is endless.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can talk more. Yes. So, actually, when women nowadays they hit the jackpot, they are making the waves everywhere. They can do
Hmm.
wonders in their life, and they have proven that the world is our oyster.
Yes,
Means
ma'am.
they are achieving extraordinary, remarkable results.
Hmm, hmm,
Their
hmm.
goals. There is no doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
There are
ma'am.
no bones about it. Yes.
So thank
Yes.
you
Yes.
so much, ma'am, for coming to my channel. And my best wishes are always with you. Keep learning and keep growing, ma'am. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye,
Thank you
ma'am.
for asking me, and it's my pleasure to be here.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.